adjacent complementary angles. First, we'll draw the angle. Yes, this is of 90-degree angle. Here point P, A, B. The figure is yes angle P, and C. The figure is yes. Here you draw a ray from point P to make a pair of adjacent or complementary angles. You can draw one point, one ray. Yes, these are the adjacent or complementary angles. Here you can draw, this is P, then this is the ray. Yes, we drawn from P. Adjacent angles and complementary. Complementary means it is of 90 degree. This is 45, this is 45, you can say, or we can write down also. It's yes, here this should be 90 degree. Then it is of complementary angles, then adjacent angles. Here what's given? Yes, this is straight line. The figure is first drawn, that is drawn. Yes, here it is the vertical line. This figure, but this is the point P. You draw here this one, then it is of 90 degree, and we can say this is also a complementary angle and adjacent angles to draw. Very simple. Finish it? Yes. After this, calculate third one. Calculate. Yes, the complementary angle. Calculate the complementary angle. Angle for each of the given angle. Angle for each of the given angle. We have the formula. What's that? Yes, the given angle is A, that is 45 degree. What formula we have? Yes, 45 degree. For this one complementary, that is 90 degree minus 45 degree is equals to 45 degree is the another complementary angle. This B, that is 60 degree. 60 degree, yes, 90 degree minus 60 degree is 30 degree. Yes or no? Sixth one. Yes, 89 degree. 89 degree. 90 degree minus 89 degree. Yes, only 1 degree is the angle complementary angle. And E1 D, the given angle is 70 degree. Here this is D and here C. 70 degree. Then we can write 90 minus 70 degree. The complementary angle is 20 degree. E. Yes, 36 degree. 36 degree. 90 minus 36. How much it is? Yes, 54. 54 degrees is the angular complementary angle. Find it complementary angle. If one is given, then you just subtract from 90. You will get the complementary angle. Simple, no? Yes. After this, one more we have, there is A and B. Here, just write down this one. After this, one more easy question, you should find the adjacent angles or a complementary angle. These are about complementary angles and adjacent angles also. We have to solve the question. That is also from page number 142. Now this one is remaining. Yes, this is the rough diagram. Yes, not exact rough diagram I am drawing. 30 degrees is x and it is 63 degree. You find the angle x. Means 90 minus 63. 90 minus 63 means it is of 10 minus 3 is 7. Then 8 minus 6 is 2. 27 degree is the answer. 27 degree. X equals to 27 degree. And B question. Yes, this is a rough diagram. Yes, it is y. Here y. X is given, that is 70 degree. Note x, it is 70 degree. Angle y is equals to question mark. Angle y is equals to question mark. Very simple. 90 minus 70, it is 20 degree. Therefore y is equals to 20 degree. You can find y equals to 20. Why? It is together 90. Yes, 90 minus 70. Here it is together 90. 90 minus 63. Then we get 27 and it is 20 degree. And see one, this is very simple. If A and B are complementary angles, A is equals to B, what is the measure of each angle? A and B is equals to 90 degree sum. Then A is equals to B, angle A is equals to angle B. Then what is the measure? Yes, 90 by 2. You just 90 divided by 2, that is 45. Then you can write therefore A is equals to 45 A and angle B is equals to 45 degree. Simple now. Yes. And about the vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles and adjacent angles. That we will see now. Exercise page number 141. This is page number 142 and 143 together. Complementary angles. About the complementary angles. Now about adjacent angles and next one. Which one that is? Yes, about vertically opposite angles. That we will see now. First, adjacent angles. Exercise on adjacent angles. Yes, page number 141. Here, name the adjacent angles in each figure. Name the adjacent angles in each figure. Very simple. A, that is figure is, this is M, this is angle N. Then name the adjacent angles, that is angle M and angle N are adjacent. B. Yes. These are the adjacent here. APB, and one more C. This is, which are the adjacent angles? This is APC, angle APC. You can write APC and angle BPC. BP, C are the adjacent angles. Why these are adjacent? Here common arm is CP. Common point is vertex is P. And C figure is, that is, yes. This is the figure having adjacent angles at R, S, U, T. Yes. Which are the adjacent angles here? SRU and URT or TRU. Angle SRU and TRU are the adjacent angles. B and E you can find very easily. M, N, T, P are there. Yes, you can find the adjacent angles at N and Y also. Yes, these two you can find. After this, vertically opposite angles. We will discuss about the vertically opposite angles. These are about, again two are there, B and E. To try to solve. If you not yet, you can give a call to me. I will clear your doubt. Yes. Next, about vertically opposite angles, and after that supplementary angles. Here, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. On that exercise, find the missing angles using the properties of vertically opposite angles. Find the missing angles by using property of vertically opposite angles. Yes, A, that is figure, this is the given figure. This angle is named as X, this angle is named as Y, and this is A and this is B. Here A is equals to 110 degree and B. Then you can write these two are equal, opposite, vertically opposite angles are equal in, yes, measures. Then B is equals to 110 degree. Here X is equals to 70 degree. Angle X is equals to 70 degree. Then find Y. Yes, X is 70, opposite this one, that is also 70. Very simple. And B question. Yes. This one angle, four angles they will form here. Yes. A and B, Y, X. Angle A is equals to 90 degree. Angle A is 90. Then automatically angle B is equals to, that is also 90 degree. Then angle X is 90 degree. Then all angles are 90 degree only here. Yes or no? Then angle Y is equals to, we can write 90 degree. In C question, simple one. Yes. It is Y, it is X, it's B, it's A. Then angle A is equals to 75. Then automatically angle B is equals to 75 degree. Then angle X equals to, they not given, but Y is equals to, angle Y is equals to 105 degree. Angle Y is equals to 105 degree. Then automatically we can write angle X is equals to also 105 degree. D1 question is there that you can solve very easy. angle A is 45 degree, then automatically angle B is good. X is equals to, then not given, Y is equals to 135 degree, then angle S is equals to good. Very simple this one. And after this, about supplementary angles. Yes, about the supplementary angles. There are 3 questions, and again ABC are there. Very simple this also. We'll solve on some examples and many. Let's write down this one also. You can take as a homework. If you get any doubt about this, you can give a call to me. Write neatly, draw these angles, everything with the help of pencil. Use pencil. Draw neatly. Yes. Here, measure the given angles, then find the supplementary angles. Measure the given angles, then find the supplementary angles with the help of protractor. Measure the angles, given angles. First ABC, that is how much degree? Correct. Angle ABC, it is 90 degree. Right. ABC is equals to 90 degree. Then figure B, XYZ. XYZ is equals to figure C, angle MNP is equals to, and figure D, that is PQR, angle PQR is equals to, PQR is equals to 90 degree. Then supplementary angles, we can find here one pair. Which are pair of supplementary? First one, angle ABC and angle PQR. Because of 90 degree plus 90 degree, it is 180 degree. And second pair of supplementary angles, XY, correct, XY, Z and MNP. Measure these two by using the protractor. How many degrees? MNP or XYZ, first one, this is of 60 degree and this is of 120 degree. XYZ is 60 degree, this is 120 degree. Then we can write angle XYZ and MNP are the pair of supplementary angles. Yes or no? And after that, draw a ray from point P to get a pair of adjacent supplementary angles that we can calculate, and question number 3 also we calculate. If you get any doubt about this, you can give a call to me. With this, we finish with these angles, but angle at a glance, that one exercise is there that we will see in the next class. If you get any doubt about this, you can give a call to me. Okay, thank you.